Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to share with you a quick tip on paper piecing. When you're paper piecing, you have all your little sections that you will be sewing and paper piecing your fabric onto. The one thing I find confusing is a lot of the patterns don't have very good indicators of the different fabric colors. So when this happens, I will actually write little notes on the little pieces to show which color fabric goes in which area. So in this one I'm going to be using light orange here and dark orange in these three sections. So I just write little notes on there for myself, and then I know this part is all going to be the background fabric. And so that helps me to remember when I have this whole pile of paper pieces in a pile and I'm working on them, to be able to remember which colors go where. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of other quilting tips and tutorials.